Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix MacBook random shutdown issues using simple system checks and quick settings adjustments. Let's go straight into it. First, start with a proper restart. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner and choose Restart. This clears temporary system glitches that can sometimes cause sudden shutdowns. Next, check for macOS updates. Go to System Settings, then General, and open Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Outdated system software is one of the most common reasons for random shutdowns. Now check your battery health. Click the Apple logo, go to System Settings, then Battery. Look at the Battery Health section. If it shows any warnings or reduced capacity, your Mac may shut down unexpectedly when power becomes unstable. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Next, disconnect external devices. Unplug any USB drives, hubs, monitors, or accessories, then use your Mac normally. Sometimes a faulty external device can trigger sudden shutdowns. Now check your storage. Go to System Settings, then General, then Storage. If your disk is almost full, delete unused files or apps. Low storage can cause system instability and unexpected shutdowns. Next, reset your system settings. Shut down your Mac completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This helps refresh internal system processes that may be stuck. Also check if any heavy apps are causing the issue. Close all unnecessary apps and use your Mac for a while to see if the shutdown still happens. And that's it. You now know how to fix MacBook random shutdown issues using simple system checks and basic troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.